Alright, welcome back to a showcasing of the Marillium Engine retail version. Everybody has been asking for an updated version of the tool, so this will be a quick showcase of that. We will be flying through this, so we'll start with gold. You can see that it refreshes the gold, add actors, add actor 2, add actor 3. We have 3 actors in the party. You can actor fetch and see all of their stats. You can also remove actors from the party, but sometimes for whatever reason the third player will actually stick to the following, but going to a different area for whatever reason fixes that. That's definitely a bug I have to fix, but that's a later kind of thing. You can teleport, you can use custom scripts. I actually haven't used the custom script command myself, as I kind of feel the tool does everything that you need it to do for the most part, or for most users. So somebody will have to test that out and let me know how it actually works. You can force save or force load files. So if the developer disables the save function, you can force load and save from there. Credits, simple. It just shows my support pages and my store pages. This one will change to the Shopify. The patch JSON file, if it doesn't detect or attach to the game, this will work in most cases to get you through that. Data editor, this is the biggest feature of the tool. There's no variables in this game that my tool has detected. Switches, this game has a lot of switches, so maybe the developer didn't actually use variables for their game. Inventory, you hit refresh, you hit apply, it applies the changes to the inventory. You can change any of these, and when you actually go back in, it will show the correct amount. Though I don't know if that will cause an error having that many, so we'll take that down to 99. RPG Maker is really weird with numbers. But aside from that, you can do items, weapons, armors, key items, anything within the inventory you can add or take away. And then states, same thing. You can apply to the entire party or a specific actor. So applying, refreshing the scene, you can see that they're both poisoned. I hit remove and they're both not poisoned anymore. Skills, same thing. Apply claw attack. We go into skills tab. We go to this, claw attack. Go to this, we go to this, claw attack, same thing. You can add and remove this. I actually haven't tried to add and remove this, so I wonder if you can remove the attack function. You can also battle test and or force battles. Clicking battle will take you into a battle. The events will play out like normal if there's something on the troop page, and you can also force escape battles. Entity fetch, this fetches all of the enemies' stats within the database. So basically, if you were fighting these bats, the bat right here, that's the actual bat that you're fighting. So the bat times 2 is 2 of these. They both have 200 HP, etc., etc. Shows all their stats. Map, if you click teleport, it defaults by sending you to 0, 0. But you can also specify right there and click teleport. This fetches all the maps and lets you teleport to any map. Keybinds, this one I actually love. You can change this to up, down, left, right. So we will change that. We will change this right and then up. And then we go into this up, down, left, right. This is the normal movement. The normal movement definitely is faster, but if you are a WASD player, there you go. You can inject a key rebind for the most common actions in the game. I didn't include literally everything, but you can, again, do the most common ones. Plugins. This one's fun. I put a warning to tell you not to mess with the plugins because turning anything on or off can crash the game essentially. So this pulls up any available plugins that it can find. This is a uncompiled game, so a compiled game might be a bit different or might not pull the plugins up at all. Compiled games are a lot harder to pull from. That means the file is a singular exe, and I will not include a decompiler for their tool to pull that kind of information. I still want to be able to let people mod and debug games, but without hurting developers' hard work. You can use the soft reboot tool, and that will reboot the game and reattach the debugger. We'll go back into this and show the last page, settings. This part is fun. You can automatically set and eject the game's speed, sounds. You can skip all movies, auto load, and inject your configuration. So once you set this to however you like it, you hit save. Make sure that's clicked. And whenever it auto attaches to the game's process, it will auto inject these settings. Enable red boxes. I'm still working on updating this, but red boxes for the most part pop up on things like the doors and everything else. So we will actually save, we will inject. Actually, let's load then inject and see if it works. Yeah, see, the red boxes are very finicky. Sometimes you have to restart the tool or restart the game if it crashes. In the worst case, I've had to restart my PC. The red boxes are kind of a pain in my ass, to be honest. But that is a general consensus on my tool. If you guys want to see more developer videos like this or more tutorials, please let me know. And I will see you in the next one.